Namaste, good morning everybody.
Hello, sir.
Good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon, sir.
Shall we start our fourth session? Romana
Yes, sir.
ma'am. Everyone is present in this meeting from India. I am Suresh Surwade.
Romana
ma'am from Bangladesh. Rita ma'am from Bangladesh. And I am Suresh Surwade from India with my 5 students. Okay, this India Bangladesh Teachers Telecollaboration Project session 4 will start now. In this session, we are going to discuss on 2 topics. The first topic is about the typical food in our religion, and the second topic is SDG number 2, zero hunger. So we shall start the first topic. Before that, I would like to request all of the participants to open your videos, because we are going to discuss on this topic in this online webinar. Initially, all of them are requested to open their videos because we want to see all the participants are really presented in this session or not. If all the participants are really present here, we shall start the first session in this, the first part of this session. The first part of this session is about the typical food in our religion. The typical food in our region. Now, I am going to discuss the first topic, typical food in our region. As we are Indian, there are 28 states and there are 28 states and union territories, including all the states and union territories united, we become India as a united nation. So every state has different typical food in India. Actually, there is no national food for our country due to diversity in our states. Diverse food items are there, but as I live in Maharashtra, as one of the state of India, there are some special food items like this. The first picture is of Puran Podi. In Marathi, we say Puran Podi, and as we want to write this is Puran Poli. The traditionally prepared using wheat flour, duff, and which is stuffed with a delicious sweet and aromatic puran. Stuffing in the middle, flatten the stuffed duff ball and oil or ghee roast on tawa or pan and serve with amras. Amras means mango juice. Means this puran poli will serve with amras. Amras means mango juice. This is our traditional food. Mostly in the summer, we have such a celebration like Akshay Tritiya, Chaitra Padwa. In those celebrations, we have such a traditional food with mango juice. The another is Baigan Bharta. This is also called brinjals. Brinjals Bharta means mashed eggplant is a dish prepared by mincing grilled eggplant means baigan and mixing it with tomato, onion, herbs and spices. Then some another dish is Kolhapuri mutton. It is included with meat of goat and with various spices ingredient. We prepare the dish and with it with a podi. This is a bread. So these are some of the Maharashtrian food we eat in our state. Actually, the cheap of expensive, it is cheap. It is really cheap in India when it comes. All the dishes are prepared in various states. Like in Punjab, there is a special dish. It's sarson ka saag and makke di roti. In Telangana, the Hyderabad biryani is special for us. Now, what do people have? The national food. If someone asks such types of question for Indian people tells that there are lots of variety in our country. Some days before, India announces khichdi as our national food, but it wasn't happen, means it was not approved khichdi as our national food. So what do Indian people take something after their meal? They have आम पन्ना, लस्सी, नींबू पानी, कोकम शरबत, जलेबी, जलजीरा, सोल कढ़ी and feni. These are the drinks after having milk. Sometime the one of the region in Maharashtra is Konkan. It is famous for Malwani dish. Malwani dish includes fish curry. When the people try to prepare the fish, first wash the fish, then take small pan and dry roast all the 6 ingredients. Then take the bigger pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil, add some onion paste, add tomatoes paste, dry roast masala, coconut milk, and 2 cups of water. Add some fish pieces. Let the curry come to a boil and then adjust some salt according to the taste, and this way the Malwani fish curry is ready for eating. So these are the typical Indian food for the people who are living in India. But actually there is no proper food item. There is no proper food as a national food for Indian people. So I'm trying to tell you that India is a United States, means it is a bunch of 28 states and some union territories. That's why there is no typical food as a national food. According to the states, there are diverse food items. I have already told you that in the state of Punjab, there is another food for the people who they live there. Kashmiri people have their different food. In West Bengal, they have their special regional food. In Goa, there are special regional food. Means due to the diversity in India, there are diverse food. No national food is there for Indian people. According to their region, they eat diverse food. So this is the first topic I'm going to discuss with you. I think you better understand about the food item those I have explained it to you. Is it clear, madam? Romana ma'am,
Yes, sir.
did you clear that I have told there are some typical regional food items, no particular national food for Indian people. According to the states, different variety and traditional foods are there.
Traditional Bangladesh traditional food, that's Ilish hilsha fish or rice. And
One minute, madam. This meeting will finish within 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we have to update the same link. Okay?
okay,
Okay.
sir.
Yes.
I
Okay,
will
sir.
one person join this meeting.
Do you like to join the one person?
Another person, maybe
Student or teacher?
teacher or this session coordinator, Bangladesh partner coordinator.
If you want,
He,
send them the
he
link,
will
and
he will interest the
if he
meeting.
will interested, if he or
Yes,
she
sir.
will interested to join this session, please ask him to join. But only for listening the session. He will not take part directly with us.
Sir,
Okay.
this session, Bangladesh partner, Yogesh, Aisha, or Samsuddin Talukdar. Samsuddin
Oh,
Talukdar interest join the session. I will put the YouTube link. Uh, YouTube link. He saw the YouTube link and interested join the session.
Yes, yes.
My representative.
Yes,
Uh,
yes.
Actually, he
As
is
your
my
representative.
representative. My representative, I continue English language. He convert the session.
Okay.
স্যার তারপরে আমি লিংক দিচ্ছি, সে জয়েন করবে কিনা আমি জানি না। আমি বলেছি আগামীতে আমি দেব, কিন্তু আমাদের সেশনটা তো 21 তারিখ হওয়ার কথা ছিল। আজকে আমি হয়তো মোবাইলটা না দেখলে বুঝতে পারতাম না।
If he or she is interested to join, ask them to join by sending the link of this meeting.
Okay, sir.
As a representative of Rumana ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Share the link. I back to join the meeting after 10 minutes.
Yes. And also tell him to join the meeting after 6 to 5 minutes are remaining only. First, try to explain your
Okay, sir.
food in your country.
Yes, sir.
Continue your topic, typical regional food of your country.
Regional, Rita ma'am.
Yes. বলেন।
আপনি প্রিপারেশন নিয়েছেন?
কিছুটা কি বলবো?
বলেন। আমি স্যারকে, তালুকদার স্যারকে লিংকটা দিব কিনা ভাবছি, নাকি নেক্সট সেশনে দিব। আজকে এই মুহূর্তে স্যার জয়েন করতে পারবেন কিনা?
আগে থেকে না পারবে কিনা সেটাও তো স্যার বিজি কিনা।
কালকে আমাদের একটা সেশন ছিল, বুঝছেন? সেই সেশনে স্যার বলছে মানে আমাদের যেটা ভিডিও লিংক করে তো স্যার
বাংলাদেশি যে মানে
ডিটেইলস বর্ণনা। হ্যালো,
মোটামুটি, এত বেশি না মানে
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, আপনি করেন। আমি ততক্ষণ একটু দেখছি, তো এটা দেখে দেখেই বলবো।
আচ্ছা
10 মিনিট পর,
আচ্ছা
10 মিনিট
আমি
পরে
এখন বলবো
নাকি স্যার কি বললো? 10 মিনিট
আচ্ছা
পর না আমাদের ম্যাম?
স্যার তো এখনো আছে, এখনো
আছে কি?
স্যার আছে এখনো।
আচ্ছা, তাহলে আপনি শুরু করেন। আগে বলেন স্যার।
স্যার, hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, I say at first our region food নিয়ে।
আমার মানে আজকে ওই যে নেট প্রবলেম হচ্ছে।
হ্যাঁ, আজকে নেট অনেক প্রবলেম, কথা ভাঙা ভাঙা আসে, বোঝা যায় না।
আমি এখানে স্ক্রিনশট দিয়ে দিয়েছি আমার ভিডিও। আমি এমনিতেই বলে দিই স্যার, ঠিক আছে?
হ্যালো স্যার।
Yes.
সুরেশ স্যার।
Yeah.
Sir, typical food in our region, name of this type popular dishes food in your region. তো Sir, our famous of Kumilla is Rasmalai.
Madam,
Famous
type,
food, region
madam,
food.
madam,
Yes.
type the name in chat box. We will try to find out through YouTube channel.
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
sir.
Type in chat box.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The link was already updated. You have typed before. Now try to type again.
Okay.
Yes.
Sir, sent you.
Okay.
লকডাউনের সময়ে আপনারা কিন্তু চাইলেও বাইরে থেকে এই রসালো রসমালাই কিনে খেতে পারবেন না। এই জন্য রসমালাই খেতে হলে আপনাকে বাসাতেই তৈরি করতে হবে। বাসাতেই খুবই সহজভাবে কিভাবে রসমালাই তৈরি করবেন একেবারে পারফেক্টভাবে তার একটি সহজ রেসিপি শেয়ার করব। আশা করি আপনাদের কাছে অনেক ভালো লাগবে। তো আমি আপনাদেরকে একটি রসমালাই কেটে শেয়ার করছি। দেখুন ভিতরটা কতটা বেশি সফট হয়েছে, কোনো শক্ত অংশ কিন্তু নেই, একদম পারফেক্ট যাকে বলে। তাহলে চলুন দেখে নেওয়া যাক এর পুরো প্রস্তুত প্রণালী। আর যারা এখন আমার চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করেননি, এরকম নতুন নতুন রেসিপি সবার আগে পেতে অবশ্যই আমার চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে পাশে আসা বেল আইকনটিতে প্রেস করে দিন পরবর্তী ভিডিওর নোটিফিকেশন সবার আগে পাওয়ার জন্য। রসমালাই তৈরি করার জন্য প্রথমে একটি বোলের মধ্যে নিয়ে নিব 1 কাপ গুঁড়ো দুধ। আর গুঁড়ো দুধটি অবশ্যই ফুল ক্রিম মিল্ক পাউডার হতে হবে। আর দিয়ে দিব 1/2 টিস্পুন বেকিং পাউডার। অবশ্যই বেকিং পাউডার দিতে হবে, বেকিং সোডা দিলে কিন্তু হবে না। এখন এই দুটো উপকরণকে খুব ভালো মতো মিশিয়ে নিব। এবারের মধ্যে দিয়ে দিব 1 টেবিল স্পুন ঘি। চাইলে এখানে ঘিয়ের পরিবর্তে মেল্টেড বাটার ব্যবহার করতে পারেন বা সয়াবিন তেল ব্যবহার করতে পারেন। তবে সয়াবিন তেল ব্যবহার করার ক্ষেত্রে যেটা হবে, ঘি এবং বাটার দিলে যে ফ্লেভারটি পাবেন সেটা কিন্তু সয়াবিন তেলে পাবেন না। তো চেষ্টা করবেন ঘি বা বাটার ব্যবহার করার জন্য। আর বাটার ব্যবহার করতে হলে বাটারটিকে অবশ্যই গলিয়ে নিতে হবে। তো এখন আমি এই দুধের সঙ্গে খুব ভালো মতো এটাকে মিক্স করে নিব। হাত দিয়ে এভাবে ডলে ডলে মিশিয়ে নিচ্ছি। মিশিয়ে নেওয়া হয়ে গেলে এখন এর মধ্যে দিয়ে দিব একটি ডিম। সাদা এবং হলুদ অংশ খুব ভালো মতো ফেটিয়ে নিয়েছি, সেটাকে এখন দিয়ে দিব। একবারে দিব না, আমি এটাকে দুইবারে দিয়ে দিব। এখন এটিকে খুব আলতোভাবে মিশিয়ে নিব এভাবে। আজকের পর্বে আপনাদের
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Can you listen to me?
Yes, sir.
I have already discussed over the typical food item in our country. I have already told you that there is no fixed national food in our country because India is the United States, 9 states and union territories. United and India become a vast country, united country. So every state has its typical traditional in the people where they are living according to their region and according to their religion as well as according to their tradition. I have told you that I have food items which already placed through PPTs. I am one of the citizen of India live in one of the state. What are foods? What are food according to the region, that is Maharashtra. Okay. Now we
Okay, sir.
connect the YouTube which you have sent me. So the YouTube video will play. Try to search what is there. Okay.
Sir,
See the
net
YouTube video.
Sir, no net problem. I can't say. I can't use a.
Send me the YouTube link. Am I
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes, sir.
Now I will play the link. The video
Okay, sir.
the video will be on your screen now. It is actually in Bangla.
Yes, sir.
Then try to explain. Now, madam, please introduce the food item first. Hello.
Pelka, yes, sir.
Introduce something about the video first.
Pelka means, I explain it, sir.
Yeah.
Pelka is a kind of soup. The main herbs or leaf of vegetables.
Okay, now
This,
see. Now watch the video first.
was the video pass? Show the video Shazna Patar Pelka. Sir, আমি আপনাকে একটা ভিডিও দিয়েছি, এই যে ফার্স্ট পেলকার একটা ভিডিও দিয়েছি।
Okay.
কুক দ্য পেলকা। Sir. Hello.
Okay.
This is called
Yeah.
Pelka. Sir, this is called Pelka,
Okay.
but oil-free cook. Sir, hear me?
Yeah.
I explain it. Sir, I explain
Explain now.
it. The main herbs of leaves or vegetables. This dish is very popular in Asian, North Bengal or present day northern part of Bangladesh. Greater
Okay.
Rangpur division, Golpara area, Assam, including Jalpaiguri and Kuch Bihar district of India. Intelligently, it organized in the area where Napa, made by Napa Shak. Napa Shak spicy soup is eaten in Nilphamari district. But now it spread to the whole region. Sir,
Okay.
region of state North Bengal, basically this food North Bengal and this food cooking oil free made by chili, garlic and ginger. Ginger paste, some water and soda, cooked by Pelka.
Okay. So we have the three project partner teacher have discussed about our regional food item. Now the second part of this session is zero hunger. Shall we start the second part of this session, zero hunger?
Sir,
Yeah.
one बांग्लादेश ऐतिह्य खाबार पिठा. I give the YouTube link, pitha, shidol, pelka, biryani, pani puri. India में pani puri. My country, fuska.
Okay.
My country, it's called fuska. Same of pani puri or fuska. Water, drinking water, cha. Bangladesh favorite drink, cha.
Yes, madam. You have well explained about your regional food item. Now we have second topic of this session. The second topic of this session is zero hunger.
Yes, sir.
Can you listen to me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The second topic is zero. The sustainable development goals. These are called global goals. We have already finished the first goal within 3 sessions. The first goal is no poverty. It has 7 targets and 13 indicators. Is it clear? Now the second sustainable development goal is zero hunger. Zero
Yes,
hunger.
sir.
Okay. So SDG second is to end hunger, achieve food security, and improve nutrition and promote sustainable agriculture. I repeat it
Yes, sir.
again. SDG 2 is to achieve food security and improve nutrition and promote agricultural development. This goal has 8 targets and 14 indicators. Please listen carefully. This goal has 8 targets and 14 indicators. The 5 targets are ending hunger and improving access of food, ending all forms of malnutrition. Means it has 8 targets. From these 8 targets, 5 targets are called overcome targets. These are also called ending hunger and improving access of food, as well as ending all form of malnutrition. The 3 means the remaining 3 or the 3 means of achieving the target indicate include addressing trade restrictions, distortion in world agricultural market and food commodity markets and their derivatives. Globally, one in means, as we say that 10% of the world population are living under the poverty line. Poverty. In the last session, in today's session, we are going to learn that 1 out of 9 means one person out of 9 all over the world, people are undernourished, means they
Sir, unmute, sir. Sir, unmute your microphone.
globally, we can say 1 out of 9 the majority in developing countries. The developing countries people worldwide under its country.
Sir, net problem. I can't say sit there.
Okay, I repeat that topic. SDG is by 2020 means the goals improve 15
Is it not clear, sir? Net, so much problem. Networking, so much problem.
watch the video, please.
But, okay.
Because our government has implemented hello,
Yes, sir.
can you listen now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm saying that the government, the target of the midday meal scheme is no children will remain malnutrition and every child is free from malnutrition by 2030. The another scheme is so this is the scheme implemented by the Indian government in its all the states for all the school children in primary school from standard 1st to 8th.
A Meal Scheme is a school meal program of the Government of India designed to improve the nutritional status of school-age children nationwide. The program supplies free lunches on working days for children in primary classes, government-aided, local body, education guarantee scheme, and alternate innovative education centers, Madarsa and Maktabs supported under Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, and National Child Labor Project schools run by the Ministry of Labor. Serving 120 million children in over 1,265,000 schools and education guarantee scheme centers, it is the largest such program in the world. Under Article 24, Paragraph 2C of the Convention on the Rights of the Child, to which India is a party, India has committed to provide adequate nutritious foods for children. The program has undergone many changes since its launch in 1995. The midday meal scheme is covered by the National Food Security Act 2013. The legal backing to the Indian school meal program is similar to the legal
Ni sota pe lai. Ekta mo pro tang cham yo na. Ko be ji wa je राईस आहे, डाळ आहे, चपाती आहे, 2 चपात्या भेटतात. सरकारला सांगा, ही काम करताय ते शेवटपर्यंत दर्जा झालं पाहिजे. हा लक्षात आहे, ही काही स्कीम चांगली चालली आणि शेवटपर्यंत चांगली चालली पाहिजे. सर्वसामान्य गरीब लोकांसाठी म्हणजे जी आहेत अल्पधान्य या लोकांसाठी चांगली योजना आहे. माझ्या पैसे फार बचत होती. पेशंट आहे ना, त्यांना ही चांगली योजना आहे.
दवाखान्यासाठी आलतो मुलीला घेऊन. सर्वसामान्य लोकांना चांगला आहे. कल से शुरू है, 40 रुपये ऊपर से देगा सब लोग. वही है, इतने हैं 50 में. स्टाफ लोग दूसरे लोग में 50 में देते हैं. एक बाज बनेगा, एक दाल बनेगा, अलग अलग. दाल सेम हो, बाज अलग अलग.
Hello.
Hello.
This is the second scheme.
Yeah. I saw the
This is the
second
second
step.
scheme for the poor people as well as the people who are in the hospital. Means it is
Yeah.
for the patients, it is for the poor people, it is for the people who are living far away from their head office, even those who are working as a servant in a far away place from their home. This plates, this thali is called Shiv Bhojan Thali. Our state government has provided this thali in rural area only 5 rupees and in urban areas for 10 rupees.
10 rupees.
In urban area and in rural area only for 5 rupees.
Yes, sir.
The money of these thali or these plates, because it is not only of 5 rupees, it is about 50 to 60 rupees. So the government embraced the money directly by the collector for rural 25 rupees and for urban 40 rupees. Means who run the Shiv Bhojan Thali shop, he has given rupees 30 in rural area and rupees 50 in urban area. The money will reimbursed on the account of the shopkeeper by the district collector. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these are the 2 schemes for zero hunger in our country. Now you will tell one by one minimum 1 scheme by the government to stop hunger, to stop malnutrition in your country. Which steps are implemented by your government, Bangladesh?
Okay, sir.
Tell minimum 2 schemes, then we will stop this session.
Yes, sir. The Bangladesh government wants to make Bangladesh hunger free through a food for work program. Food for work, কাজের বিনিময়ে খাদ্য কর্মসূচি। One target, one program. Also, Bangladesh is also helping government primary school children by
Okay.
providing rice to build a hunger-free Bangladesh. Rice to build. Providing rice to build, এটা হচ্ছে প্রাইমারি স্কুল চিলড্রেন or students যেটা 1 to 5 classes. This government is committed to building a hunger and poverty-free Bangladesh. This government committed to build a hunger and poverty-free Bangladesh. So I believe all developing countries are expected to enjoy a more prosperous life by 2030. Since 2015, Bangladesh is one of the many countries that have made remarkable improvements in recurring poverty. So around 40 million people or 1/4 of the Bengali population still experience which sparked hunger. So of the 14 million, about 11 million suffer from acute hunger. আর malnutritionের বিষয়টা হচ্ছে বাংলাদেশ success in recording child malnutrition has been the quickest in recording history. সেটা হচ্ছে there are still many improvement to be made a achieve zero hunger in Bangladesh by 2013. So achieve zero hunger in Bangladesh along with public sector along with public sector, তারপরে হচ্ছে scientists, Bengali farmers have been working alongside one another to create varieties of high yielding nutrition food. So looking at the statistics, approximately 36% of Bengali children under the age of 5 still suffer from this condition because of concerning malnutrition. Within this 36%, over half reside in slums and cannot afford food for other than necessities. This means that despite the improvements that have been made, a total of 5.5 million children alone still suffer from hunger. So this, according to the 2014 Global Nutrition Report assuming Bangladesh. So countries at its current pace, it will not be able to fulfill the 2025 targets agreed upon at the World Health Assembly in 2012. So my government's Zero Hunger Free Bangladesh made by program মেইন প্রোগ্রাম ফুড ফর ওয়ার্ক প্রোগ্রাম, কাজের বিনিময়ে খাদ্য কর্মসূচি। আর আরেকটা যেটা আছে সেটা হচ্ছে প্রাইমারি স্কুল চিলড্রেন্স বা স্টুডেন্টস বাই providing rice to build. So Hunger Free Bangladesh
Okay, thank
is
you, ma'am.
committed.
Rumana,
Okay,
ma'am,
sir.
please explain.
Sir, hear me?
Yes, yes.
Every day, too many men and women across the global struggle to feed their children nutrition. Children nutrition meal in a world where we product enough food to feed everyone. 690 million people still go to bed on a empty stomach each night. Equipped food insecurity affected. 135 million people in 15 countries in 2019. Even more, one in there suffer from some form of malnutrition. Eradicating hunger and malnutrition is one of the great challenges of our time, not only to the consciousness of not enough or the wrong. Food causes suffering and poor health. They also slow progress in many other areas of development like education and employment. In 2050, the global community adopted the 70 global goals for sustainable development to improve people's lives by 2030. Goal 2, zero hunger, play days to end hunger, achieve food security, improve nutrition, and promote sustainable agriculture. And is the priority of the World Food Program. Our vision, 5 steps to zero hunger, put the fighters behind fast, pave the road from farm of market, reduct food waste, erectness, a sustainable variability to crops, makes nutrition or purely sustaining with a child first 1000 day. Sir,
Okay.
midday meal zero after primary children midday meal because its menu biscuit Bangladesh sir Bangladesh midday meal menu biscuit.
Okay.
Indian midday meal item. Who is the item?
Variety of foods are given to the children. Sometimes rice, sometimes the beans, sometimes dal chawal, cooked vegetables, eggs, biscuits, etc. Variety foods are given in the midday meal. Even eggs and biscuits are provided to the children in their midday meal.
Bangladesh midday meal biscuit. Sometime someone varieties school midday khichuri. But Uttar Bongo, Rangpur district midday meal biscuit.
Okay. So these are the schemes by our government has implemented to stop or to end hunger. Am I right?
Yeah.
So today's session, now we shall finish with these few words. End hunger, achieve food security and improved nutrition. By 2030, end hunger and ensure access by all people. Undernourishment, prevalence of moderate, severe food insecurity in the population based on the food insecurity experience scale. This is called FIES. End of all of malnutrition. By 2020, maintain the genetic diversity of seeds, increasing investment, enhance international cooperation, and enhance agricultural productive capacity. In this way, the developing countries try to end hunger, achieve food security, and improve nutrition. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye.
Okay, sir. Take care.